What if I told you that missing sleep for just one night can make your brain behave like it's drunk? And most people are doing this every single day. Think about the last time you didn't sleep well. You felt foggy, slow, irritable. But what's actually happening inside your brain is far more dangerous than most people realize. When you don't sleep enough, the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, focus, and self-control, starts to shut down. At the same time, your emotional center, the amygdala, goes into overdrive. That's why small problems feel overwhelming, why you snap easily, and why bad decisions suddenly feel reasonable. Here's something scary. After 24 hours without sleep, your brain's reaction time becomes as slow as someone with a legal blood alcohol level. You wouldn't drive drunk. But many people work, study, and make life-changing decisions. Sleep deprived. Sleep deprivation also attacks your memory. While you sleep, your brain cleans, organizes, and stores information. Without sleep, new memories don't stick. That's why pulling an all-nighter often makes you forget what you studied the next day. Your brain didn't fail you, it just never got time to save the file. But the real danger is long-term sleep loss. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease, depression, anxiety, and even brain shrinkage over time. Toxins that are normally flushed out during deep sleep begin to build up inside the brain. Sleep isn't rest. Sleep is brain maintenance. Skipping sleep is like skipping oil changes in your car. It might run fine at first, but eventually something breaks. So tonight, when you think about scrolling a little longer, ask yourself this: are you stealing time from sleep or stealing from your future brain? Because your brain never forgets the sleep you didn't give it.